Yes, so I say, my man Carl say, every associate Asem Medica at the Braquasis, Monday to Friday, baby, that Utu and among the Asem Medica at the Braquasi matching. Bibiana, I'm the console.
Bokonanso.
Well, Yamadum Ukutai into the Amias. I'll pay you,
I'll pay the Boko. I'm first time bar, Asem di Kamafa, the work. Yes.
Don't create tension in country.
Okay.
Peace council to party political actors and want some and all them.
Asem Babakano pay tinti a woman and no. Ya bre NPP ni NDC sa omahunahunano o man. Omahunahunano I ate too much their maye. And you see a trebia na man focus o mo kan sa akwa enkosiaga. Ya ko elections amani pe wo man. Ya enye the family members of these political actors. Some are just sympathizers. Officer man hine wo party e mu me po man hina samuti ene mitinachi eno ko hia no ko firi kwa mu wo ye timi tinase ne so saade we so da bia sa
pacho gina hama me ye ntumi tinase me yen so saade we so da eye hwan ne hwan
o ma ye nyina ne so
so that's the problem
ye nyina ne so
that's the problem
ye nyina ne ye problem no to saade we
because how do we solve this problem
o man and none of pay me for many sa NPP bampanisi ye di jawa ye di aso NPP na wa bam e say NPP called the way NDC be kwa ni ma ne ye hu ye say NDC de oni tumi sesi obetimi de abo man ho ban NPP na wo say NPP ka say on free power e ye dangerous chance say NDC be ka say we force ourselves to power. Because NPP were all the state apparatus. Here man timi edi we say me free power.
Ti wokasa.
Yes. Te be yehu. NDC can but enye as compared to
on the form. On the form.
Ah. Ni want to me now man am rasha ni sane kase won kwa. E dangerous and the Cuban. Asem honorable branch champo ekanoma na ka enye issue no kure wom no na ka be fun say just a normal passing comment say party ni ehia ekrofo the party for and a trip na nya sa platform so gina se nyame an show de a
nsema
be kan ehu that apacha for me call Greater Accra asem a Lord Kome ekaye in 2021 ni ehwe sa video ni bi ni just Lord
Kome
Director of Operations at the Jubilee House. Yet just what can say about her right chapel there. That yet Lord Kome as what kind. Lord Kome say to me na ye nyano. Ye famo. Brother Chapel say NPP ya yenya akonya with that platform ejina so yi. To me no ye famo. So now am out church we say because these are two separate events. Bakusi in 2021, Greater Accra Regional NPP Conference, I say. Bakusi 2023, NPP Health Walk. Oh, 85 Kakrada, venue cry different.
So what is the connection?
Participants cry different. So open so can say.
So party people now they share by different.
That is it. So always I say. Baby say we will not hand over power to nipo bedin kunimwana and see about the sound na ama for edwin before beto so ban let me say this to NPP they shouldn't act as if said they don't have a message to break the 80 if they want to.
You don't have to advise them on that score. Let's deal with the situation.
Yes. But I say they shouldn't act as if say they don't have what it takes to break the 80 if indeed they want to. Oh man, with this issue, partner say, Abba dream pobi say, yen fa power MS. But NPP and this in this as we say, none of them and what to me to determine the poverty Ghana kunyaso. None of them. Not NPP, not NDC. Say, but so when they decided the poverty Jubilee House, e can run is that so kunyaso. Say, political parties they determine who retains power. E can run is that so kunyaso. But any omunti na ye Ghana for, you the sovereign power. You don't have any right to say same. Me the power mass mercy and asem for power mass mercy. In the first place. That is it. Because
my point is, we don't have to encourage this kind of utterances.
Time. But former President John Dramani Mahama so dear. And on man here unfortunately yes sir. He's a man what's na Ghana akonya so pen.
Was he? Who can't say be opposition or die here? Or die here?
Yes.
It is not to suggest that we cannot talk about opposition. What the opposition says.
Yes.
The ebeme ya home yate and they say to me wo nipa bi mo.
Sure.
Sa nipa ko ni na ese ni omo kasa.
E kasa ya.
Ye jo mama eka, ye sie du nkati eka, ye fifi kwete eka. They are branching also am run about in some constituency kokekan. All they say abo bia de enibre and ekeka.
Yes.
The omo de emfa say awon brasim onu bubum.
Okay.
But the obubom e betima nya nsusuaso.
Yes.
And the party in power.
Okay. O man and so ye no crepa but this ni sign no crepa so ye say. Si ye ku a enya ban yate power na ye ku no.
Omo shisha si.
That is it.
Omo ni tumi mu no. Ni e form boko.
Omo. And form wadwen. It on form wadwen no mo ba no mo tumi no. Ese ni mfa nko hye omo. Ite ban sa na
akesi
ni obedi nkonim no una be sele through. But in every situation like this, there will be casualties. One of the best casualties. Are we prepared?
That's where we have to think about it.
And there so say NPP, NDC, none of you any to me to determine nipa or better Ghana konya so. Mo first had to mutrim. Because how did the mutrim wa? E can you for to me more, you for to me more no. E came out in the first place.
All right. I'm sure that questions here the wash as you say no. But who say me what you do me? I mean need to me. Now me I have forced need to me. No but was sir. You see any there Ghana for ya ni see. I go to pay that. Opening up all of us. Ya juna kusisa. Ya to also. Professor E.K. Wallace. Banen which sister Sandy be a guy. Now if you come on share to me there bro. Kai who say peace council for us. Don't create tension in country. Peace council to party political actors. And what's them? Ediasi yeko.